What's up, guys? Hope you guys are doing well. I figured I'd follow up on a review I did not too long ago on a new company called Modern Warrior Beard Co. I did 2 reviews already. I really wanted to do a separate video on his sample set that he sent me. He sent me 3 samples. I want to do a quick video on that real quick for you. If you're not familiar, the company's called Modern Warrior Beard Co. The owner's name is Matt. He's out of Illinois. The whole reasoning behind his whole theme is his passion and love for ancient warriors from back in the day. He's really into that type of history. Tonight we're going to go over 3 of the samples that he sent me with when I ordered the combo. All these scents I really enjoyed using. I at least used once or twice. All good ingredients, all good carriers. I'm not gonna waste your guys' time on this quick video, but I can assure you, check out my other 2 videos on his other scents. All the ingredients are great. They feel great in beard. The scents are absolutely amazing. Just an all-around awesome company doing big things. The first one I'll show you guys is called Gladiator. And Gladiator, this has fresh blueberry, frankincense, sandalwood, oak moss, lavender, patchouli, and oud. And it's just an absolutely, that you get that blueberry right off the rip, and you can smell the oud and the oak moss, and this has just got a lot of goodness in it. And it's got a nice golden hue to it. And it's just, man, if you guys haven't checked out Modern Warrior, holy crap, you guys gotta check this company out. The next one I'll show you guys is called King of Gods. And this has a whole lot of goodness in it. I had to write this one down. It's got amber, sandalwood, cedarwood, grapefruit, lemon, bergamot, lavender, saffron, cardamom, patchouli, and musk. And this scent, man, this is a complex scent. To describe this, man, the name of this oil suits it. The King of Gods. You just get all of those scents in a nice cologne-ish type musky scent, and it just smells phenomenal. Absolutely amazing. The longevity on these oils, I'm just gonna say it, all day long. And the next day probably, if you don't wash your beard out or whatever. It's just absolutely strong scents, not strong, overkill strong, but just perfect scents. The last one is called Sacred One. And this one is a church incense and oud. And this kind of smells like an incense burning, but add a little oud with that, and it's just a whole lot of goodness. That's all I can say. Matt makes some phenomenal smelling products. They work in beard. They smell good. The butters he puts out, absolutely phenomenal. Buttery smooth. Just the consistency of everything, just amazing work from a small batch company, especially a new one. Like I've always said, they're doing big things, and it just surprises me when these companies come out, what they can do. So I'd like to say, Matt, thank you. I appreciate you sending the samples out to me to review for you. Keep doing what you're doing, man. Absolutely phenomenal products. You got a long-time customer from me. You got support from me as well, because I believe firmly that you're gonna rise to the top, with no problem. Guys, I'll leave everything in the description box below. This was kind of a short video showing his samples off. I appreciate all the support from you guys. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. Till the next video, guys. Peace.